Good morning, guys. Today is January 2024, the first day of the year, and today I just want to use it to clean around my house and clean my house and also reset my home after having a party. I did throw a party yesterday for New Year's, so come with me and let's do that. Now it is the first day, so I did have a nice slow day and it's just time to get ready. I wanted to go out for a little bit and hang out with some friends, but no, I really want to restart my whole house and set the mood for this upcoming year and be successful, and definitely follow a vision board that I did do. And you know, the first thing is of course to have a clean space, clean mind. That's how I feel. I don't know if anybody even says that, but I guess I do. So as you can see, it's much later in the night. I had to change clothes because I had to go out for a little bit. Took my dog out, finished putting up the other decorations, and my house is back to normal for the next 11 months. So thank y'all for coming in this vlog and seeing this with me, and yeah, let's hope we have a really good year and make more vlogs. We'll see. So